What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly it will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly which it will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly which I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly like I said, it hasn't been used since last month, so I know since the fact this thing is exactly you see how much respect this thing is it's got the tool change your time what you see. But I know since the fact this thing is gonna get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will. It will get used again at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which I know since the fact this thing is gonna get used almost like quite a bit because I hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I really wish this thing will get used this year because because you know I expected this thing which I know hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which because you can see how much respect this thing is, so I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025, but I promise this thing will get used this year.